guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Today we have a battle. We have a battle of cleansers, believe it or not. So I don't do this often, but I'm not in my bathroom. I have a bucket of water and a very clean towel, and my face is pretty caked on right now. I don't have a lot of makeup surrounding my skin, but I have a shit ton of makeup in my T-zone, especially my eyes, under my eyes, over my eyebrows, in my eyebrows, my eyeshadow, my eyeliner, everything, okay? Everything. And the two contestants in this battle, or in this, we can say, game. It's not a game, it's a battle. We want to see who wins, right? We have the Squalane Cleanser from The Ordinary, which is also from the Abnormal Beauty Company. We're pretty familiar with this. This is one of the favorite ones that I have. Love using it. It's very, very good on my skin. Never showed reaction to it. Never, ever leaves my skin dry. So I love it. No kidding. The Squalane, it says Squalane based face cleanser and makeup remover. I normally don't use this as a makeup remover. I use my a very dear friend for makeup remover, and then I go ahead to the Squalane cleanser. But today I want to test to see how good it removes the makeup. We're going to get into the test later. Let's introduce you to our other contestant. That's one of the words I have problem pronouncing, so please don't make fun of it. The other one, this is very new to me. I haven't even used it yet. I just unboxed it. If you haven't seen the unboxing of this product, I'll have the link up here. But it is the Neod Low Viscosity Cleaning Ester. It's kind of not fair because this one says it's a makeup remover, and this one is it just says cleaning. But I'll tell you why it's also not fair, because this cost me about $5, but this probably cost me about $25. So I got this out of the Neod set number 1, which is $70, and it came in, literally, this is it. This is $70, and this is the biggest basically, or the heaviest one in this set. So this one was about 50 ml. So I assume this is $25, but I'll have the links and the prices below for you guys for sure. But yeah, so we're gonna test the low viscosity as well as the Squalane cleanser. I love very much. I already have a full one in my bathroom, and I only bought this to leave it in my boyfriend's house because he washes his face with hand soap. It's honestly cringy. Like, oh, I have goosebumps. But yeah. So I bought this to leave it at his house, so every time I go there and I need to wash my face, I have my favorite one there so I can wash my face with it. Yeah, so let me take the little thingy out. Don't hate me for using our teeth. I'm a dental technician. I know what is good for my teeth and what is not that bad. This is not that bad, so don't worry. It was just a little piece of foil. Stop judging me. So I'm gonna wash the left side of my face with the Squalane cleanser, and the right side of my face with the low viscosity cleanser, and then I'm gonna rinse my face and I'm gonna dry it. Afterwards, I'm gonna take a cotton pad and my dear micellar water, because if you have any remaining makeup, it will show on your pad. And for you guys at home, I'm going to tell you this once. If you wash your face and then you take this on and see if there's any makeup left, you need to change your washing, your face washing, like completely, because this is wrong. Like, you're going to sleep with all that makeup and dirt still left on your skin. I recommend a double cleanser. You can use a makeup balm to remove the dirt and the sunscreen, and then you can use the cleanser or any type of cleanser to wash your face, and basically that's clean. What I love about the Squalane Cleanser is that it never leaves my face dry. Like, if I forget to use lotion afterwards, it's not that bad. But with any other product that I have tried so far, it's always been like that. We're gonna try the low viscosity neon one, and we'll see how it goes. So that's the contestants, guys. Let's get started. So this is going to add to the collection of me looking crazy on YouTube, but it's the sacrifice I'm willing to do for my lovely subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe by now, because I look so crazy. No, I'm joking. You don't have to subscribe, but please. Thank you. See, when you make it, support me, because I don't get paid for any of this. So we're going to start with the Squalane Cleanser. This is how much I use normally. Bloop. Just a bloop. Just a bloop. Sorry, my mic. Phil. Okay. Mic, you're good. Mic is good. Okay. So, I'm gonna do only the left side of my face, which is right for you guys, but this is left side for me. As you see, it doesn't really foam up, but it's there. I'm not kidding. It's there. Let me make sure it's focused. Yes, it is. It's here. Okay. And then maybe I need a little bit more water. So I have on my face, I have sunscreen right now, primer, foundation, eyeshadow, eyeliner. Oh my eyeliner is gone. This is really good. Look at that. My eyeliner is gone completely. It's not okay. I'm gonna start using this as my makeup remover, because I always, like, if I had this much makeup on, I would always use the micellar water in the sink, and then I would go to this. But look, this took it off without any you know, mixing it around or anything. So okay, we're gonna let this sit here for a little bit, and then I'm just gonna wet this one a little bit more because it just got dry. And then we're gonna use the low viscosity cleansing ester by Neon. It's my first time using this on my face though, so I'm still half crazy. I'm joking. So this says use a generous amount. So what do you guys think a generous is? Like, now I'm gonna put it in my hand, and then we're gonna put it on. This is expensive, but I doubt that this will work. If this works, I'll be surprised. You see all this? It just smudged it around. It's on my hand too. I'm not going to touch this one. I know this is not how you wash your face. You should wash your face more gentler, but we're here to test products, okay? So I forgot I have lipstick on. Okay, no, sorry, I'm not touching that side. Okay, so I took off all my makeup. I'm gonna wash my hands, and then we're gonna take off with the towel just to get, because I don't have a sink I can really rinse my face, and then I'm gonna just rinse it off. Okay, I just rinsed my face, and my face is anything but dry. It's this is the dirty side. This is the clean side. My face doesn't feel dry. It feels oily, especially on the side that I use the Neon cleaning ester. And this is what I'm completely used to. This one is a little bit more, no, oily is about the same. But let's see how we did around the eyes. Just to remind you again, this side is the Squalane and this side is the low viscosity. As you see, I have this here under my eye, and my eye is a little bit red. This is a little bit, but I'm surprised because if you have anything like this from like this drugstore, this is not going to take your makeup off at all. This is just going to smudge it around, and then you're going to take off with like the cotton pad or anything. But this was very gentle to take off my makeup. I'm honestly surprised. Like, my skin feels clean. I don't feel like I need the micellar water to check it, but because we're doing a test, I'm gonna do it. So let's shake it up and get our cotton pad and just yeah. I add my own sound effects. First off, we're gonna try the viscosity, the Neon one, because this one is the one that I'm more concerned about. And it's clean. Okay. Okay, there's a little bit, I don't know where is it from. See my whole face. Ugh. I'm like, okay, you guys, there is a little bit of, browning. But that could be because I didn't wash my face like fully, like in a sink. Maybe it's from like the outer parts that I didn't get. But so this was the Neon one, and this one I'm gonna try for the Squalane Cleanser. This one I have confidence in, but I hope it doesn't betray me because, oh my god, you guys, both of them are good. Oh damn. Damn, mommy, damn. You guys, look. They are both very clean. Like, there's no makeup residue on it. Like, I was baked on. I had eyeliner. I basically mascara on. I had eyeshadows, like I had pink and brown. I had my eyebrows filled. I had like so much concealer, baking powder, primer, everything all around here, and they're both gone. I honestly don't believe it. It feels like, okay, you know what, like I gain much more confidence about this. I'm really happy, guys. I honestly don't think you need a double cleanse with this anymore. This, like, it came out completely clean. I don't know. So, guys, this one is about $25. This one's less than $5. So, if you have this one is more, basically they both do the same. They both leave your skin like breathable. not dry, not squeaky clean, nothing like that. If you prefer this because of the price, 100% go with this. If the price is not an issue, then I recommend this one, or both. You can mix and match it so your skin doesn't get used to one. Yeah guys, so there you go. The battle, it's, you know, they're both good. They're both as good, but this one wins slightly more because of the price change. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you think of my new studio. I'm very excited that I did this with you guys because I have answers that was, you know, I had questions that were answered now. Now I don't have to double cleanse because what I just had was completely clean. So I was just wasting products and water before. Now I'm just going to do it once and I know for sure when I'm going to bed that it's clean. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys want me to do next. Bye.